Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Berat ST from Mechanical Department. I would like to explain the problem from unit number 1, roots of equation from the subject numerical methods and optimization. So here numerical is given for Newton-Raphson method, that is using Newton-Raphson method and initial guess as 0, find x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 and do 3 iterations only. So numerical is given. So first step is to write down the given data. Here y equal to f of x equal to x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Function is given and also it is given that initial guess as 0, means initial guess x1 is equal to 0 and do 3 iterations only, means here it is given that n equal to 3, that is we have to perform 3 iterations. So students, first step is to calculate f of x1. Before that, f of x is nothing but x cube minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, means first step. Second step is f dash of x. F dash of x means what? Means we have to derive equation f of x with respect to dy by dx, that is derivative of x cube, that is 3x square minus derivative of 5x is nothing but minus 5 into 1 and derivative of 3 is 0, means f dash of x equal to 3x square minus 5. Then next again we have to differentiate 3x square minus 5, we will get derivative of 3x square is nothing but 6x minus derivative of 5 is 0, means equal to 6x. So here it is given that initial guess x1 is equal to 0. In some numericals initial guess x1 is not given. So in that case we have to check condition. We have to check condition of convergence. So condition of convergence. What is condition of convergence? The purpose is to check either our initial guess is right or wrong. For that the equation, condition of convergence equation is f of x1 into f double dash of x1 upon f dash of x1 square mod of this is less than 1. This is nothing but the condition of convergence. So before that we have to calculate f of x1, f dash of x1 and f double dash of x1. We know that f of x1 means we have to put x1 value, that is initial guess x1, into function equation. Here f of x1 is x cube minus 5x plus 3, means here we have to put the value of x1 as 0 because initial guess is 0. So 0 cube minus 5 into 0 plus 3 equal to 3. That is 0 0, it's cancel, means f of x1 equal to 3. Similarly calculate f dash of x1. We know that f dash of equation is f dash of x1 equation is 3x square minus 5, that is equal to 3 into 0 square minus 5, means f dash of x1 is equal to minus 5. Then next f double dash of x1. We know that the equation for f double dash of x1 is 6x, means here we have to put value of x as 0, means f double dash of x1 is equal to 0. So just put these values in condition of convergence. We'll get f of x1. This f of x1 is nothing but 3 into f double dash of x1 is 0 upon f dash of x1 square, that is minus 5 square mod of this is equal to 0, means which is less than 1, because our condition of convergence is mod of f of x1 into f double dash of x1 upon f dash of x1 bracket square, it should be less than 1, and by calculation we'll get this mod of this is equal to 0, means it is less than 1, means it satisfies the condition of convergence. So next step is to proceed for iteration number 1. So first iteration, for iteration 1 we know that initial case here in this case x1 is equal to 0, and we know that for Newton-Raphson method how to calculate this root x2 by using equation x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. This equation is used to calculate the root of equation. Again we know that x1 is 0. What about f of x1? That we have already calculated the value of f of x1 as equal to 3, and f dash of x1 that is equal to minus 5. So put these values into this equation, we will get x2 equal to 0 minus 3 upon minus 5, that is equal to 0.6, means we will get x2 is equal to 0.6. First root of equation, that is for iteration 1. Then students, next we'll proceed for iteration number 2. For iteration number 2, important step is replace x1 by x2, means take for next iteration x1 as 0.6, and we know that x2 equal to equation is x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So again here we have to calculate f of x1, because here x1 value is 0.6. We know that f of x1 is nothing but equation is x cube minus 5x plus 3, means here put x1 as 0.6 cube minus 5 into 0.6 plus 3, will get f of x1 that is equal to 0.216. Similarly find f dash of x1. So for f dash of x1, again we have equation 3x square minus 5. So just here put x as 0.6, 3 into 0.6 square minus 5, will get f dash of x1 as minus 3.92. So we'll get f of x1 value. So from this, calculate x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So x1 is 0.6 minus f of x1 is 0.216 and f dash of x1 minus 3.92. So by calculation we'll get x2 root for iteration 2 is 0.655. So next we'll proceed for iteration number 3. So iteration number for iteration number 3, again replace x1 by x2, means here for next iteration x1 is 0.6551 and we know that for Newton-Raphson method equation x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1. So again here calculate f of x1 by putting x1 as 0.6551. We know that f of x1 equation is 3x cube minus 5x plus 3. Here x1 is nothing but 0.6551 cube minus 5 into 0.6551 plus 3. So by calculation we'll get f of x1 as 5.6401 into 10 raised to minus 3. Then next calculate f dash of x1. We know that f dash of x1 equation is 3x square minus 5. So here just put x as 0.6551 square minus 5. So we'll get f dash of x1, that is equal to by calculation minus 3.71 to 5. So we'll get equation values for f of x1 and f dash of x1. So we know that again for Newton-Raphson method, the x2, how to find x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 upon f dash of x1, that is x2 equal to x1 is nothing but 0.6551 into f of x1 5.6401 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon minus 3.71 to 5. So by calculation we'll get x2 equal to 0.6566, that is x2 root for this Newton-Raphson method, and it is given or it is asked to perform 3 iterations. So for iteration number 3 we'll get x2 as a root of equation, and that root of equation is x2 is equal to 0.6566. So we'll tabulate this result as iteration number x1, f of x1, f dash of x1 and x2. We know that for iteration 1 x1 is 0, f of x1 is 3, f dash of x1 is minus 5, and x2, that is root for first iteration, is 0.6. For iteration number 2, x1 is 0.6, f of x1 0.216 minus f of x1 f dash of x1 minus 3.92, and x2 is 0.6551. And for iteration number 3, x1 is 0.6551, f of x1 5.6401 into 10 raised to minus 3, and f dash of x1 is minus 3.7125, and x2 is 0.6566. This 0.6566 is the answer for this type of numerical, that is Newton-Raphson method based on iteration criteria. Thank you.